Welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with overeating and looking for effective strategies to curb your appetite? If so, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing the best strategies to stop overeating and maintain a healthy relationship with food. From meal planning to stress management, we'll cover everything you need to know to conquer your cravings and achieve your health goals. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Overeating is a common issue that can have negative impacts on our health and well-being. Eating more than what your body needs can lead to weight gain, digestive problems, and other health issues. However, there are several strategies that you can use to help stop overeating and maintain a healthy relationship with food. In this video, we will explore the best strategies to stop overeating. Plan your meals. One of the best ways to prevent overeating is to plan your meals ahead of time. This means deciding what you will eat for each meal and snack throughout the day. Planning your meals in advance can help you avoid impulse eating and make healthier choices. It also allows you to keep track of your calorie intake and ensure that you are consuming the right amount of nutrients. Eat slowly and mindfully. Eating slowly and mindfully can also help prevent overeating. When you eat too quickly, you may not give your body enough time to register that you are full. This can lead to overeating and feeling overly stuffed. Instead, take the time to savor each bite and chew your food thoroughly. This can help you feel more satisfied with smaller portions and reduce the risk of overeating. Practice portion control. Portion control is another effective way to prevent overeating. Instead of eating until you feel full, aim to eat until you feel satisfied. One way to do this is to use smaller plates and bowls, which can help you visually perceive larger portions as smaller. You can also use measuring cups or a food scale to ensure that you are eating the right portion sizes. Keep unhealthy snacks out of sight. Keeping unhealthy snacks out of sight can help prevent overeating. When you have unhealthy snacks within easy reach, you may be more likely to eat them even when you are not hungry. Instead, keep healthier snacks, such as fruits and vegetables, visible and within easy reach. This can help you make better snack choices and prevent overeating. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can also help prevent overeating. When you are dehydrated, you may mistake thirst for hunger and end up eating more than you need. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day and keep a water bottle with you at all times. Manage stress. Stress can also contribute to overeating. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase your appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or deep breathing exercises, can help reduce the risk of overeating. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is also important for preventing overeating. When you are sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin. This can lead to increased appetite and overeating. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help regulate your appetite and prevent overeating. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can also help prevent overeating. These foods are nutrient-dense and can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. It is also important to avoid skipping meals, as this can lead to overeating later in the day. Avoid distractions while eating. Avoiding distractions while eating, such as watching TV or using your phone, can also help prevent overeating. When you are distracted, you may not pay attention to your body's signals that you are full, which can lead to overeating. Instead, focus on your food and the act of eating, and take the time to enjoy each bite. Seek support. Finally, seeking support can also be helpful in preventing overeating. This can include talking to a therapist or counselor, joining a support group, or even enlisting the help of a friend or family member who can offer encouragement and accountability. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and on track with your goals. That's all for today's video on the best strategies to stop overeating. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on health and wellness. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers and would be happy to help in any way we can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.